swab paradise. Your golden stars lick to stick. A world with frogs and magic tricks and floating logs and scissor kicks and lemonade and sweaty sex. Hug me like I gave you checks and kiss me like the upper crust. Tell me things to make me blush. Champagne bottle, bon voyage. A souvenir garage, a melody to make me smile. Not that you've been gone a while. A purple medal 8th place, battling in a trophy case. Silences for little Ace, supported like an ankle brace. Not bloody cotton swabs and lies, stolen checks and empty eyes. You're a county fair in July, a Canadian field of wild ride. You kiss me like potted plants, bite me like fire ants, touch me like an old stamp. Olive oil and 7 lamps, not stolen cash, I'll pay you back. Bloody paradise attack, it's Sunday at the puppy track. And time to take the long way back, sweet as the apple of Peru. Inklings of the Eastern Sioux, not bloody cotton swabs and lies, stolen checks and empty eyes. Rather,
you are the blood flowing through my fingers.
that's what I meant to say. Blood in my fingertips. I couldn't tell you that any other way.
All through the soil, nothing goes free.
You're the blood that I may see you, and I see you. You're the blood me, yo, you wake me to the smell of butter. Sunlight shone through wooden shutters. Naked sex and cuff breast. Early morning back to chest. Pouring rain and rubber suit. Cotton socks and rubber boots. A sprint across the parking lot, cause that day we were unprepared. Dried out socks along the stairs. Sound of rain and draining gutters. Lightning, 7 seconds thunder. A mild snack late evening hunger. DVDs and VCRs. Fish tanks and jelly jars. The storm passes through Mars. Summertime's a move. Safety belt in summer cars. Lightning bugs to dying jars. Air conditioner saving grace. Grass stains and flush face. Refreshing like a glass of milk. The shaven legs were like silk. Kiss me like a bon voyage. A secret souvenir collage. Overalls and water parks. T-tops and baby sharks. Dragon rolls and frozen juice. Making out in photo booths. A lovely Saturday night alone. Full of films and bacon pies. Not cotton swabs and bloody lies. I'll pay you back in plastic eyes.
Yo, what's up, guys? I just did a ton of acid and I did some thinking. So I was like thinking about the universe and about how free will is not a thing. We have no free will at all. I guess I'll start with that and then maybe I'll just fucking drift on to something else. But anyways, so to establish a timeline, let's start the Big Bang, if that was even real. So we have no idea what was before the Big Bang anyways, so that's the only real place we can start, right? So when the universe was all condensed into like one little ball of massive energy, you know, fucking 10 to 1 billionth power degrees hot, every atom, every molecule was in a certain place, right? Every single, I guess that's probably all there was back then, was just atoms and molecules. I mean, we have no idea. It could have been a completely different type of matter. We have no friggin' idea. But, yeah, they were all in a certain place, right? And, I'm distracted by my eggs, but, yeah. Hey, so where I'm going with this is they're all in a certain place, right? programmed to do everything that was always going to happen from that very moment. Nothing else could have happened from what was always destined to happen. Because like, no one's invented time travel yet, or at least we have no idea if they did. But there is no forces to go back and influence the past to change, so that there is a different possibility from what happened today, or from whatever happened now. I hope that made sense. But yeah, and then when the universe imploded, or whatever, started expanding, stars were made, planets were created, as was always gonna fucking happen, because like all the atoms were in place. And when the universe imploded, they're all in a certain place at a time, so that they would expand rapidly in an exact direction, down to an incomprehensible fucking specific angle, like so specific that you can't measure it, because like there's no decimal that reaches the amount of specificness there is. It's just an infinite decimal. But yeah, fuck. I'm high as balls. Let's see. So yeah, after that, life grew on the planets, right? Somehow we evolved from stardust. Fucking rocks turned into flesh and brains, and now. Oh my god, I keep losing my fucking train of thought. Shit, man. Oh yeah, who's the biggest bird? Who's the biggest bird? I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I have no idea how the song goes, but it goes something like this. Oh yeah, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh yeah, the bird. I'm the biggest bird. Bird, bird, bird. The biggest bird. Oh yeah.